Hello there. Today I've been back down at Stanley Park to have a little look at the Anfield expansion. So you may not know this, you might do. The Liverpool crest or badge, whatever you want to call it, has now been added to the corner closest to the Sir Kenny Dalglish stand. So you can see that on your screen at the moment. We do take a little closer look at that throughout this video. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. You can leave us a comment in the comment section below. Like and share the video, and that will help the channel grow and keep these sort of videos coming. Okay. So here we go, we're just going to have another look at this crest. I believe it's made out of iron or steel. I seen a comment on the channel yesterday saying how they just stuck that on or painted it on. It's actually secured with bolts, so it hasn't just been painted onto the side of the stand. Let me assure you that I've been up and close, as close as I can get to it. I've been up there close today. Okay, so we're just going to move on around the site. There are some materials in the Sir Kenny Dalglish stand car park, which we are going to take a look at in a moment, just as we move around. We are just getting overhead and going around at the moment. We will show you these materials in a moment as well. The other thing I did want to point out as well is the colour of the actual pitch and the playing surface, really discoloured, which you'll see in a moment. Right now we are going to show you these materials. I believe that to complete the roof, the corners of the roof, we will zoom in. I will zoom in and you can just so you can see them properly. There we go. So they're all waiting to go up, which is good. When they will actually go up is unclear at the moment. If anyone has any information on that, leave it in the comments section below. Okay, moving on. I couldn't quite make out what they were doing with the cranes in the corner. We will focus on that in a moment and try and work out what they were doing. But as I say, we're just going to show you what's on the pitch. It's quite empty now. A lot of the stuff has been removed, but the colour of the pitch is quite shocking, isn't it? Look after your grass, that's what happens when you don't look after your grass. Okay. So there's still a couple of cranes in. We're going to focus on this far corner to see what these cranes are doing. We are just getting into position for this. They are still there. We do catch them with fitting solar panels. You'll see that now. They're still fitting these solar panels across the edge of the roof. Whether they're going across the top of the roof, that's something I'll have to look into. But we did catch them fitting them as we were up filming. But didn't want to get down too low because of the trouble we had in the past with the workers complaining to want to do the lads kev. So I didn't want to try and get down and see exactly what they were doing, trying to make out what they were doing. I don't know what these flashing these white lights are, whether they're cutting something or something like that. But they are definitely fitting them solar panels on the roof at the moment. Now, as wasn't rushing the video, but I was just getting around as quick as I can because it was like 30 degrees. Excuse me, sorry. It was 30 degrees and I wasn't sure, how hot you could fly the drone in, so I didn't want it to melt or something like that. Okay, moving on, we're just going to zoom into this side. There's still a little bit of cladding to go up. They've had this, I think it looks like it's some sort of cherry picker. I'm guessing that's just passing materials up to each level. Some of these workers have got, how can I put this? Balls of steel walking across that at that height, and not catch me walking across. You would not catch me walking across that roof at any time of day or night. Must got some views from up there then, mustn't you? Okay, we're moving on to the back of the stand. We have a little look at the ground and see what's going on the ground in a moment as well. Okay. So the back, still waiting for that brickwork to be done on the back of them windows. He's carrying some sort of, looks like a bit of roof cladding across the roof. As I say, you wouldn't catch me. There's not a great deal going on the bottom. These guys on this big red cherry picker look like they're securing something to the top of that window. The main news from this particular update is the crest is now on the corner of the stand. I presume one will be going on each corner. I presume. Right, so we will see hopefully tomorrow or Friday with the next update on the expansion. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you very soon. Take care of yourselves.